Today, we are touring a massive single-story home, over 4,200 square feet, with an RV garage, an additional 2-car garage, 6 beds, including a next-gen suite. You guys won't want to miss it. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bell with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's up everyone? Today is November 4th, 2025, and today we're here at the Montgomery by Lennar, a beautiful single-story community with really large homes. But just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here in North Las Vegas. The nearest cross street is going to be Craig and Decatur. So we're about 25-30 minutes away from the Las Vegas Strip, probably about 30-35 minutes away from the airport. I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 3 floor plans here, right? But they're actually all sold out of 1 floor plan. So I'm just going to go over 2 floor plans with you. So they have the Layton and the Ganon floor plan. Now, these homes are both next gen suite homes. They both have RV garages and massive homes, guys, about 3,932 square feet all the way up to 4,237 square feet. Okay. Now out the door, you're looking at about 907 to about 950. Now, again, prices are subject to change, but as of today, those are the prices. They do have a couple of quick move-ins. So the way that Lennar operates here in this community, they build spec homes. So what spec homes are is they're quick move-in homes. The builder picks out all the options, right? So they already start construction on it. So by the time the house is about like 30 days away from completion or 2 months, they release it for the public. Now, as of today, they do have move-in ready homes, which are 100% completed and ready to go. Okay. So unfortunately, they don't have too many homes where you could actually pick out your options. They just kind of they already started construction on pretty much all these homes here. Okay. As far as the schools here, so the elementary school, it's actually zoned. On the website, it said it was zoned for 2. It was Ava Wolf Adelier. And for the middle school, you have Theron Swainston. And for the high school, you have Cheyenne. Okay. The HOA here is going to be $172 a month, and actually it isn't an HOA, guys. It's an LMA. So LMA stands for Land Maintenance Association. So that's actually better than an HOA, because if they have an LMA, there's no home restrictions to your house. You can do whatever it is you want. There's no HOA. The LMA just means you have some common areas where you have to pay to, it's for the upkeeping of these common areas. So, but that's about it. No restrictions to the house. You can do whatever you want. Usually it takes about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. According to HOA, you could take however long you want. Okay. So there's about 40 homes in this community. Half of them has been sold. So they still have about like 20 more to go. Okay, but that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Ganon floor plan. Now, this massive single-story home is 4,237 square feet, 6 bedrooms, including 2 bedrooms inside the next-gen suite, 4.5 baths. And as you can see, it has an RV garage as well as an additional 2-car garage that's attached to the next-gen suite. Okay, so out the door, you're looking at about $950,000, and that's going to be including the lot premiums, the upgrades. So that's going to be the range. Okay. The desert landscaping is included in the front. Now it's up to you. If you want to landscape the backyard, that's just going to be a dirt lot, but there's no timeline to do that since there's no HOA in this community. There's just an LMA, right? Which is the Landscape Maintenance Association. Okay. So that means no restrictions on what you can do with your house. So I know a lot of people would be happy with that. Yeah, let's take a look. This section of the house is going to be the next gen suite. Okay, again, perfect for if you live with distant families, in-laws, or if you just want a place for guests to stay so they could, you know, have their own space, feel a little bit more private. So welcome in. Now this entry door was an 8-foot door. Now, as soon as you walk in, you're gonna see 10-foot ceilings. Okay, so it definitely feels really spacious in here. Unfortunately, this house isn't furnished, and it looks like they still have to add the appliances in there. Okay. So all the bedrooms are gonna be on the left side of the house. So I'm gonna show you guys the right side of the house, which has like the kitchen, the living room, the dining room. Also right over here, you're gonna have your laundry room. Okay, washer, dryer, refrigerator, blinds, that's all gonna be included. And you also have the sink right here. And then also too, you have attic access right over there. Okay, that's where we came from. So very open floor plan. This is gonna be the living room. Your dining room is gonna be in that corner. And so you're gonna have all this space right here. Okay, so you can see plenty of cabinets under the kitchen island. Now with the spec homes, as you can see in this home, they have the vinyl plank. It's like a brown vinyl plank. The flooring, the cabinets, and the countertops and the backsplash are going to be the only things that are different between the other homes. But like the doors, the faucets, the doorknobs, that's all going to be the same. Okay, so right here, you're going to have your pantry. You can see you have the 7-panel door. All the homes are going to have that. This color pole right here, all the homes are going to have that as well. So plenty of space right here in your pantry. Now I know you don't see the appliances, but you're going to have the Monogram kitchen appliance package. So Monogram is definitely a nicer, a great brand. Okay. So you're gonna have 42-inch cabinets. So this house has the quartz with the veins, and then it has backsplash. Okay, microwave's gonna be right over there. Okay, you'll have your oven, and then you'll have your hood right here, dishwasher. Also, this is the sink that you'll get. Stainless steel, single basin, undermount sink, Moen faucet. So you can see in the kitchen, there's plenty of lights right above. Cool. So guys, welcome to the RV garage. Look at that, so much room. Okay, you could, if you don't have an RV in here, you could park about 4 cars. You'll have a tankless water heater right there. Also too, you have your water softener loop, so you could put a water softener right here. Okay, that's your electrical panel. I believe you have one, you still have one on the outside as well. Yes, this house is massive. Even the bedrooms has a lot of space as well. So we'll go ahead and check out the backyard. So for a lot of these lots, this backyard is going to be pretty accurate to size with their spec homes. Okay, so again, it's going to be dirt lot. I'll show you guys how much room there is in the side. Cool. So you got plenty of room. You also have, that's going to be for your gas. Okay, you have a gas tub, so you get barbecue, and you have your hose bib. Show you guys the other side. Now, if you're watching this video and you are interested in new construction homes, you know, you're thinking about visiting a community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you have a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself. Okay, so if you go by yourself, the builder agent's gonna ask for your information. Once you give that to them, they're gonna log you in the system as having no representation. You definitely want representation because the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, and we look after your best interests. Okay, so it's our job to get you the best deal, make sure the process is nice and easy for you. We hold the builders accountable. And plus, I know some buyers out there, they're hesitant to reach out to an agent because they think they have to pay their realtors. I don't charge my clients a dime. I always get my fees collected on the builder's end, as well as the, if it's resale homes, I could get it on the seller side. So here, as you can see, this is the texture. As far as the paint is concerned, you're gonna have flat finish paint all throughout the house, except for the wet areas, you'll have a semi-gloss finish. So with flat paint, it does get dirty pretty easily. Looks like these baseboards, they're gonna be about 5-inch baseboards. So this is gonna be the primary bedroom. You'll have your powder room right there. That's the door to the next gen suite. You're gonna have 2 bedrooms here, 1 bedroom right here, and then you're gonna have this nice area where you could just watch movies, hang out, have a couch over here. Okay, so it's gonna be a coat closet, smart panel box. That's where you connect your router and your modem. Okay, massive primary bedroom, as you can see. Plenty of space. You have a thermostat right there to control the temperature in this room. So welcome to the primary bath. So remember, there's no bathroom configurations with the Lennar homes. What you see is like what you get. So you're gonna have this shower. Okay, again, the options might be different, but as far as the like the freestanding tub and the walk-in shower, that's exactly how it's gonna come. Okay, so you have your toilet room right here. You also have your walk-in closet. So every room is going to have this right here. There's going to be a pre-wire for a ceiling fan, so you can have a ceiling fan and a light. Now these 2 bedrooms are going to share a bath. They're going to share a Jack, so it has a Jack and Jill bath. So really good size room. So this one does have a walk-in closet. So you can see dual sinks. Now, if you're looking at guest baths, it's always gonna have this quartz countertop, this white one. It's gonna have this undermount sink and that faucet. So right over here, you're gonna have your shower tub combo and then your toilet. Okay, so we're inside the bedroom number 2, guest bedroom number 2. This room is a little bit smaller than the previous. It does have a walk-in closet. Okay, nice. Again, I love this area right here. And it's gonna be the guest bedroom number 4. So with this one, this bedroom is gonna have its own full bath, which is really nice. Oh, you also have attic access right above. Okay, no walk-in closet, just a standard closet there. All right, so we're gonna enter the next gen suite. Again, next gen suite's like a separate living area that is connected to the house. So this next gen suite's gonna have its own entry door. You're gonna have its own half kitchen. So you'll have a refrigerator, a sink, as well as a microwave. Okay, this is gonna be a living room area. So you could definitely put a couch, put a TV in here. Well, actually, I guess this is where the TV would go. And then you'd have the couches right here. So this next gen suite actually has 2 bedrooms, which is really cool. You could definitely rent out your next gen suite if you wanted to, what we call house hack, right? Help pay your mortgage. Don't know what you'd be able to rent it out for, but if I were to take a guess, I would say about $2,000. But if you're curious to know the exact numbers, I mean, I could definitely check for you, look at comps, just shoot me a text. Okay, so this one has a walk-in closet as well. Now that's going to be the garage door, second bedroom. You're going to have your stacked washer and dryer here. So anybody staying in the Next Gen suite, they don't have to use the washer and dryer by that entry door. Okay, so you have your 2 sinks. You also have your walk-in shower as well as the toilet. And you do have some extra space right here. Now this is the last bedroom. It's gonna be inside the Next Gen suite. This is gonna face the front of the house. As you can see, so this one has a walk-in closet too. It's a really nice size walk-in closet. Yeah, it's hard to tell in video, but yeah, the 10-foot ceilings definitely makes it feel a lot more spacious. And this is going to be a 2-car garage. All right, guys, that wraps it up for the Ganon floor plan. If you're watching this video still, thank you so much for sticking till the end. If you have any questions, if you're looking for the best incentives, if you just need help with the home buying process, let me know. Shoot me a text, give me a call. But thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next one.